In this video, we are going to share 10 best uses of baking soda. We all know that baking soda is widely used in baking. Apart from that, this amazing powder can be used for so many different things. You probably got a box of baking soda sitting inside your kitchen shelf, completely unknown of the fact that it has so many uses around your home. If that's true, watch this video till the end, as it might change the way you look at baking soda forever. Let's begin. Number 1. Kitchen cleaner. Once you discover the versatility of baking soda, you will do away with all those cleaners under your sink and you will never use oven spray again. Baking soda can act as a very mild abrasive cleaner, perfect for removing stains from sinks, countertops, and even fine china. It can be used to unclog kitchen drains as well. Any kitchen mess there might be, baking soda always comes in handy. Number 2. Bathroom cleaner. Like kitchens, bathrooms can be difficult to clean. They have a variety of surfaces that are frequently used and thus need to be cleaned often. Baking soda whitens and disinfects many bathroom surfaces like bathroom tiles, bathtubs, bathroom sinks, toilets, and showers. Make a paste using baking soda and a bit of water. Using a sponge or a cloth, rub the mixture thoroughly onto the surface you want to clean. Number 3. Oral hygiene. You might have already heard baking soda is used for teeth whitening and to maintain good oral health. Many studies have shown baking soda can actually help freshen your breath and has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Therefore, many people will use baking soda as natural toothpaste or use it as a mouthwash. It can be used to treat conditions such as halitosis, gum disease, and also mouth ulcers and sore. Number 4. Deodorant. The idea of baking soda working as a deodorant comes from the fact that it can absorb odors. Human sweat itself is actually odorless until it's broken down by bacteria in your armpit, converting the sweat into an acidic waste, resulting in an odor. Baking soda eliminates the smell of sweat by making the odors less acidic. Number 5. Laundry booster. Baking soda makes a great laundry product because of its mild alkali properties. By adding half a cup of baking soda to each laundry stack, detergents can work more effectively and reduce bacteria. This will also make your colored clothing brighter and your whites whiter. Dirt, grease, perspiration stains are easily dissolved while clothes are softened. Number 6. Treat acid reflux. Baking soda can be used for the immediate relief from occasional acid reflux. It neutralizes the excess stomach acid that causes symptoms. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water to get rid of acid in your stomach. However, one has to remember that this is just a quick fix and not a permanent cure. If the condition persists, it is recommended to see the doctor. Number 7. Cleans your hair. Baking soda can be cost-efficient shampoo substitute for those who have an oily scalp. Baking soda helps to exfoliate your scalp and get rid of the dirt and unwanted buildup from hair products, leaving hair squeaky clean, shiny, and soft. It also helps to keep your hair free of dandruff. Simply add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to your hair while shampooing. Number 8. Soothe a sunburn. Sunburn is a result of too much exposure to the sun or a sun equivalent, such as a tanning bed or other UV source. Adding 2 cups of baking soda to your cool bath helps ease irritation and redness from sunburn. Baking soda works for burns because it can help balance the pH levels in your skin. It is completely non-toxic and it will soothe the pain. Number 9. Facial cleanser. Baking soda is an excellent remedy for pimples and blackheads. It is a mild exfoliant that helps remove dead skin and cleans your pores. It does this while helping dry out and heal existing acne. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda for skin further help reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne. Number 10. boost athletic performance. The intake of baking soda has been shown to improve exercise tolerance. During high-intensity exercise, your muscles start producing lactic acid, which is responsible for the burning feeling you get during exercise. Lactic acid also lowers the pH inside your cells, which may cause your muscles to tire. Baking soda has high pH, which may help delay fatigue, allowing you to exercise more effectively. Now that you know different uses of baking soda, apply it whenever you need to fix these problems. We hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.